Hello, good morning, students. I am Naik sir. From long gap, I have not taken the class due to the PUC second year English paper evaluations work. Today, I am going to take reported speech. It means direct, indirect. In today's class, I am going to explain the introductions of direct and indirect speech. Which one is changes from direct to indirect. While making from direct to indirect, what will be changes will come in that direct to indirect, that I will be explained in this class. That is called the changes of tenses. The first one is the changes of tenses, pronouns, and the different types of sentences and time and place. These are points today I am going to highlighting in this class. Tomorrow I will be explain tense wise, according to tense wise, the direct, indirect. In the third class I will be explain how they will ask according to our syllabus, that is reported speech, that I will be explained. So see here, reported speech, it means direct and indirect speech. There are two sentences in direct speech, that is called reporting verb and to be reported. In direct sentence, they will ask, one is reporting verb and another one is to be reported. Means reporting means person to person they have to say something. Reporting, person to person they have to reporting about what matter, that is called a to be reported. See, so the thing is the types of, so I have made a one table, just go through according to like this table. See the how many types of sentences will come in direct. See, first one is types of sentence, reporting verb, and next third column is joining word or conjunctions words. How they will, which one conjunctions will come, that I have given here. See, in types of sentences, first one is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence means a simple sentence. There is no any order, imperative, exclamative, nothing like that. A simple sentence, that is called a assertive sentence. If assertive sentence will come, then reporting verb, while saying to a person to person, the reporting verb, whether you said or told. Then the conjunctions words will come, that. Okay. Next one is interrogative sentence. If there comes interrogative sentence, then while reporting, see whether you say asked or questioned. Okay. Then in jointing words, from these two words, from their jointing words are conjunction words. You may use, if it is a interrogative means if or whether, one you have to use, if or whether. Okay. See, next one is, third one is that imperative sentence. Imperative means ordering or requesting tone, order tone or request tone. If like that sentence will come, then that sentence is called a imperative. So in the reporting verb, requested or ordered. A person's requested to persons. A person's order to order. Then join conjunctions word. What? To. To. Or that also you may use. Okay. See. The last one is exclamatory sentence also will be asked in direct. If they ask exclamatory sentence in direct, then while reporting what you may say, exclaimed. A person's exclaimed to another person's. Then joining words are conjunction words. Will come that. See, this one is the this much. That many types of sentences will be asked. If they ask like that sentence, you may reporting like these words. Then the conjunctions words like this will come. Okay, understood? Next, the changes of tenses means helping verbs. How helping verbs will be changed from direct to indirect. See, here also I am given a table. If in direct sentence, if the helping verbs will ask like this, then you have to make indirect like these words. Helping verbs you have to change. See, so first direct and indirect column. These two columns I have made here. In that, in direct, am, is, are. If come say am, is, are in direct sentence, then while making indirect, you may use was, were. If comes am, is, are in direct sentence, in indirect, you have to change in was, were according to singular, plural. Suppose see, have, has, have comes in a direct sentence. Then you have to change into indirect like this helping word had. Okay. So then do, does. If comes in direct sentence, you make it in indirect did. Like that. Was, were, had been. If comes was, were in direct sentence, you have to change in had been. If comes can in direct sentence, in indirect could. Shall, should. May, might. Might, out to. And must, had to. Had to. Must, had to. See, very simple. If like these words, like these helping words will come in the direct sentence, then you may change like this. Very simple. See, I have given a table. If you go according to like this table, then automatically that helping words will become a changes and it become a correct. Okay. Then the third point, the third steps, I will tell you. That third step is changes of pronoun. Also is very important. How a pronoun will be changed means, I will tell you a simple thing. Direct means a person to person saying or making communications. Then third persons, if indirect, if comes say I, okay, means person to persons going on a communications. Then see third persons listening and collective dialogue and going on make in his office a report. Then that third persons, how they will say a first person says means I am talking, I am talking. That person can't say I am. So what he says, he or she according to gender. So that's why you have to change the pronoun. This is very important. See, if comes in the direct column, see, if comes I or you singular, you singular or I, then in indirect the pronoun will be changed. See like this, he or she according to gender. So see, second one, if comes a we are you plural. If comes a we are you plural, then in indirect you use to change in they. You just change in they. Okay, simple. If comes our in direct sentence, you make it change in indirect there. Okay, our there. Me if comes in the direct sentence, then what to do? See here, him, her, him or her. Him or her. If comes my, then his or her according to gender. Very simple. This much you have to make it. Okay. So like this, go in changing. Every steps I have given a table. Just if you know the table, then you can easily change from direct to indirect sentence. You direct means dialogue will be asked, then you have to make in a report. A reported. It means a report about the dialogue in indirect. This much. See, the last ones I will tell you, the changes in time and place of changes in time and place, that I have given a reference here. See, changes in time and place reference. See, from direct like this will come, in indirect you have to change. It comes in a direct here, then indirect what you make there, here, there, because third person can't say here. First and second persons while talking, while communicating, then they say here, but third persons took that dialogue and go to his office, his or her office, and saying there. Okay, see the same dialogue he says indirectly. So then you can change there, here, there. This, that. These, those. If comes these, those. If comes this, that. Third person is always saying that. So he can't say this because that person went somewhere, took our dialogue and went to his office. Then from his office he is saying that. See, now and then. Ago, before. Okay, ago, before. Today, that day. If saying a today in direct sentence, then you have to say in indirect what? That day. Okay, tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. Tomorrow, the next day, or the following day. You can change like this. Yesterday, if comes yesterday in direct sentence, then you have to change in the previous day or the day before day. If you changes that much, then automatically that sentence become a right. See, one example I will tell you. One example I will give you. Examples of direct sentence. See, Mahesh said. Then comes columns and I will complete my homework. Okay, this, and give it inverted comma this sentence and make full stop. Okay, see, already I told you people while saying explaining before, now just see these two sentences will come in direct sentence. See, Mahesh said, one sentence, given columns. Then second one is I will complete my homework. See, this sentence what we call reporting verb. This sentence, this phrase, what you call reporting verb. And this one, which one we have given a double inverted one, that sentence is called to be reported. See, very simple. Reporting verb means a person to person, said, told, asked, ordered, request, informed, exclaimed. So that reporting about what matter, that is called a to be reported. Understood? See, a person to persons, said, okay, then this one is to be reported. See, how to make a indirect this sentence. Indirect, see, indirect. Mahesh, there is no change. Mahesh told or said. You may say one. Okay. Said, then here given columns. While making indirect, you should remove. In the place of columns, you have to bring one word, that is called a conjunctions word, joining words. Joining words. Which one is that? See, already I told you people, see, this sentence belongs to in which type? So whether it is a assertive sentence, imperative sentence, or exclamatory sentence, or interrogative sentence. See, this one is very simple sentence, that's why it is called a assertive sentence. If assertive sentence means what will come? Said or told, and in joining words what I told? That is fixed. If comes a assertive sentence, in the place of jointing words, what you bring? That. See, that. Okay. Then see, this much you have brought reporting, and then brought a conjunctions. The next point is change the pronoun. Here in direct, what they have given? I. But while making indirect, instead of I, so then I means who is gender? Mahesh. Mahesh is a male gender. So then he. Automatically change he. I instead of he. Then will instead of would. Would. That he would complete. Okay, complete. Then my means he is home work. Give it full stop. See, while making indirect, don't give any comma, single comma, or exclamatory. No, nothing. Direct full stop. Understood? See, whichever, if they ask a comma, exclamatory in direct sentence, but while making in indirect, never give any kind of comma, exclamatory, nothing, except full stop. Okay, so like this you have to make a sentences from direct to indirect. It becomes changes like this. So that's why I given you people. See, first changes of sentences, then direct, indirect, the changes of helping verbs, then the changes of pronouns, the pronoun how they will changes from direct to indirect, then changes of time and place, that also I have given here. So in today's class, just go through like this and make understand. In next class, in means tomorrow's class, I am going to take direct, indirect sentences. Okay. And one more thing I will tell you, students. According to test timetable, that according to test timetable, have you received already? You have received the timetable. According to timetable, I am going to conduct the test. That is 25 marks test. How many marks? Whichever are the topics are there, whichever topics are there, that I will message you. Tomorrow I will message you. According to like that, you have to prepare yourself and attend the test, and then I will give you marks. So, okay, through online exams, I am going to take a test, and you have to attend and write well. Okay, see, already we have taught to you people first lessons Romeo and Juliet, second lesson 2 on children, everything I need to know about the forest, and grammar portions. From that grammar portions are pronouns, active passages, that I only taught active passages, and this one today. This one I have never asked in the test. That whatever that I am going to ask, that I will say you. According to like that, you prepare and be ready for attending the test. Okay, thank you one and all.